Bad man, see I need your love. See I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me tell her say me, oh stay on the road. Bad energy stay far away. Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night. Give me love for the night.
Flex in the dark, yeah. She glanced from afar, yeah. She danced from the start, yeah. Put hands on her, yeah. You wanna see?
Hey queens and kings, how are you doing? I hope things are going very well in your lives. So I'm finally back with another video. As you can see, the quality is probably different because I'm recording on my brother's iPhone. Basically, after I finished recording the footage that you saw before this, my camera broke. I don't know what happened, but it just stopped working. So I had to send it in for servicing. And I'm still waiting on that camera to be sent back to me. So I figured I would just film a video on here because it's better than not having anything at all. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about a company called Chic. They sent me a bunch of stuff, maternity related, pregnancy related, and also a couple accessories. So I just wanted to share it with you because honestly, it has really helped me out in terms of comfort, because I took for granted like how important it is to be comfortable during your pregnancy, and bras are a huge part of comfort. I haven't worn my regular bras in months. I am 7 months pregnant now, which is crazy, and I will be doing a 28-week bump date, so stay tuned for that on my channel coming soon. But yeah, let's just get into what they sent me. First thing they sent is this purple bra. Now this is actually a nursing bra. As you can see, there are clasps here that you can snap off, like that. And yeah, this is just sort of like a sports bra material. It's very, very comfortable. And I wear this now, even though obviously I'm not nursing yet. But yeah, I wear this now because it's just so comfortable and it does give me the support that I want. The next thing they sent me is this black bra. This is also a nursing bra, but you can't really tell until you look at these clasps. But yeah, this is also really, really comfortable. And I got this in a size 38D. My size before I got pregnant was 36C. So yes, your boobs do get massively bigger when you're pregnant, especially at this point in pregnancy. So yeah, that's this one. There's like a little bow at the front. It's really, really comfortable. They also sent me some accessories, which are really cute. They sent me a bunch of gold hoops. I've already taken some out because I've been wearing them. But yeah, these are really cute. I don't know about you guys, but I love anklets, especially in the summer. It just makes your ankle look so cute, and it looks great with a sandal or with a running shoe like you saw in the beginning of this video. So they sent me this really cute feather gold anklet. And they also sent me this one I love. It's like a bedazzled 3-tier anklet, and it's really cute. So it looks like this, and it's really sparkly and shiny. The last thing they sent me, which was so nice of them, and I'm definitely going to be putting this to use, is this diaper bag. So it has so many different compartments where you can put diapers, you can put wipes, you can put little cloth, towels, extra clothes, just because there's so much space. So there's the front pocket here, and it has little sections. It has a side pocket on each side, and of course the main part. It has a bunch of space. Like, look how deep that goes in there. You could even like carry a blanket, and there's also a bunch of zipper compartments in here as well. And then at the very back, it has another compartment here with like tons of space. So yeah, I thought that was really cool of them to send me that. And then it has a handle, and you can wear it like a backpack. So I'm definitely going to be using this for sure. I think it's really cute, and it doesn't really look like a diaper bag. It looks like a cute little bag. So I'm happy that I have that. I don't have to worry about purchasing that on my own. But yeah, that was it for this really quick video. I just wanted to share these products with you. The link to New Chic will be in the description box. So yeah, that's it for this video, and stay tuned for my 28-week bump tape, which is coming very soon. There's so much that I want to share because so much has changed and this pregnancy is flying by. I can't believe I'm going to be 7 months well, in 2 days I'm 7 months, so I can't believe that I'm 7 months pregnant already. It's crazy how fast it's going by. But yeah, I'm going to be talking more about my pregnancy and details of my natural birth and all that stuff, so stay tuned for that video and I'll see you very soon. Bye!
Bad energy, stay far away. Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night, give me love for the night, girl, waste no time.